Hello, welcome to second term packing machine question and answer. I'm Lily. Question 1. Liquid packing machine could pack salt and flour. The answer is no. Particular packing machine is made regard to different feature of the material. Liquids will have the liquid packing machine. Granule like salt need to use granule packing machine. Powder like flour need to use powder packing machine. Question 2. When packing honey, why we need to add the heating and stirring function? It is because when the temperature is low, honey fluidity will be bad and difficult, so we need to add up the heat function to warm up the honey and then stir to help the honey to fill more smoothly. Question 3. When packing honey, could we fill in different weight into the bags? The answer is yes. The honey is used the pneumatic liquid pump, which could be adjusted by rotate it and then change the filling weight and volume.